I am really excited for these next little videos you're going to see. This is when my kids were young, and the main video is of my, he was maybe 10 or 11 at the time. As I'm filming this right now, he's 19. So turned from a little boy to a young man. And so the next videos you're going to see was an experience we had where Tim Ferriss, best-selling self-help author Tim Ferriss, if you don't know who that is, you better check him out because he's got some amazing stuff. But Tim Ferriss was doing a contest, a cooking contest, because he was investing in a place called Chef Steps. He was a big investor in that cooking educational platform, and they've got a test kitchen, things like that. And not only that, if you're in the know about foodies and food and chefery and all that, they've won some James Beard Awards. And so that's like the Nobel Prize of cooking. And so we entered this contest. When I say we, I did a write-up for my young son to enter the contest, and it clearly stated in the rules that you had to be 18 or older. You know, because that's just the way rules are. You need to be an adult to do this. And so I had him do up a recipe because he was really into cooking at the time. So he did this recipe and the videos and everything, and I did the cool write-up, and we sent it to Tim. And part of the write-up included the fact that, you know what, Tim Ferriss is a rule breaker. That's what he's always done, is break rules to help people do amazing things. And so we're breaking some rules, and we're submitting a child in this adult contest. And guess what? He won. He won. And we all got to fly out to Seattle and spend the day at Chef Steps in downtown Seattle, right beside the Pike Place Market, you know, where they toss the fish at you and stuff. Across the street from the original Starbucks. I actually went in there for a bit. And so we spent the day, they put us up in a hotel and everything. We flew out there, they put us up in a hotel, they fed us. The first night we were there, we went to a cooking demonstration by Kenji, the Food Lab guy. If you don't have his book, man, if you're interested at all in food science, like how is butter made? What makes meatloaf? What's technically meatloaf? I mean, it's crazy. I don't get into it as much as my wife does, but it's a crazy thick book. And Kenji did a book signing and an entire demonstration that night, and we were invited to that. The next night we went back, and Chef Steps prepared us I think it was like a 14-course meal. It was amazing. There was some chemistry going on in that food. I remember drinking some deconstructed camel urine with peas, I think it was. It sounds really gross, but they made some amazing stuff. And so 14-course meal, and Tim Ferriss had dinner with us. We had dinner with the Chef Steps crew with that huge, amazing meal and Tim Ferriss. And so this next video you're going to see is the entry and my son doing his video. So that's an old video in a kitchen like 3 houses ago. And so I hope you enjoy. But if you take anything else from this, other than the enjoyment of watching a little kid start growing some passions when he's young, I want you to realize that, you know what, every chance you get, break a rule. Break a rule to do whatever you think you need to. I mean, I'm not saying do illegal things. Maybe sometimes you should, but I'm not telling you to because I don't want to be responsible for that. But break rules, man. Do whatever you think you need to get ahead, because I'll be honest with you, it's not that the rules are there always for safety and stuff. Sometimes people don't even know why the rules are there. And so, you know, of course, be careful. Don't do crazy things. Well, no, do crazy things. Don't do things that are guaranteed to get you killed or in jail, but break rules whenever you can. And enjoy this video.
Hi, I'm Chef Powers, and I'm going to make slider buns because I saw an opportunity to have dinner with Tim Ferriss, so I thought I'm pretty good at cooking, so I'll try. So today we're going to be making slider buns.
What are these slider buns going to be for?
A recipe I came up with called Mexican sliders.
Awesome.
It's a Mexican style burger on a slider bun.
Nice. All right, so we're going to be measuring out. Are you using a measuring cup or the scales or both?
Scale.
So you're going by the scales. Mm-hmm. Awesome. So you like doing weight versus volume?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. We'll check back in with you later then.
Bye. Hi, this is Abishai's Food Lab, and I'm your chef, Abishai Powers. I want to invite you to my birthday party that I'm giving away to Charity Water. And if you don't know what that is, click the link below.
So what does it mean to give your birthday away?
I'm gonna, instead of people buying me presents, they're gonna donate money to a campaign on Charity Water that I have online.
So what does Charity Water do?
They build wells in unfortunate countries and to give people clean water.
So how much money are you trying to raise?
I'm trying to raise at the most $1,000.
Do you mean at least 1,000?
At least 1,000.
So maybe at the most 1 million?
Yeah.
All right. Well, how do people donate to your cause?
If you click the link below, you can go to my campaign and donate some money.
And what's this big egg party thing that I keep hearing about?
I'm gonna. You guys are gonna. You can buy tickets online for $10, and you come to a place where I'm gonna be cooking fried eggs, scrambled eggs, and omelets for you.
Oh, well, how much do these tickets cost?
$10.
$10. That sounds like a pretty good deal for an exciting opportunity.
Yep.
When is this event?
July 17th,
Ah, that's a Thursday. At what time?
6 p.m.
Cool. Where's it going to be?
at Warehouse 14.
Ah, and I assume that we can find out where that is by looking on your Facebook event page?
Yep.
Is there anything else you'd like to tell us?
Well, I hope you donate and have an exciting time. Bye.
All right, Michelle, what are we doing?
We're gonna peel a boiled egg without peeling it.
Where'd we learn this?
A Tim Ferriss video on YouTube.
Yeah, this is one of the few things Tim Ferriss has taught us that I'll let you guys try. So far. You know, later on we'll get into the skin and deer and stuff like that. All right, buddy. Go ahead. Tell us what you're doing, though.
You gotta crack the bottom.
What did you do to the water before you pulled the egg out?
Soda. Oh, we put baking soda in there.
And what's the reason for that? It's a science word, remember? Hey, Benai, you're on camera, so...
I forget the science word.
pH. Do you remember what pH refers to? We need to review that science lesson, right? pH refers to the acidity or alkalinity of the water in the egg itself, right?
Yeah.
Right, so that should help with the shelling. All right, so you pop the end off the shell.
And pop the end off the other side.
All right, now let's see if it works. Now, what are you going to try to do with this thing?
I'm sorry. I think on the video he did that and blew through it. And it blew the egg out.
Blow the egg out of the shell. Okay, and Benaya's going to play center fielder.
Ready?
All right, go ahead. I think you're going to have to work a little harder than that.
And consistent.
Oh, it worked. Perfect. Good job, buddy. All right, guys. So now that that worked perfectly and it's going to make your job easier, what do we say to Tim Ferriss?
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.